say, Dizzy, Dizzy, hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Dizzy Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign to show. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I'm making popcorn.
What's that?
I'm making popcorn.
Okay, but now stop making popcorn. It's time to deliver.
I love deliveries.
You will be delivering corn, a boat, and a camera. And you will be delivering them to a fishing lake in Longford.
Songford.
Longford.
Okay, Longfoot.
Longford.
I got it this time. Longford.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Vinny and his cousin Jamesy are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good, I'll be there. Stop! Stop! Hello, Timothy.
Hello, Joe.
Can you show me the way to Shortfoot?
Longford.
Yes, Longford. Which way?
Over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Treeford. Oh, Roadford. Stickford. No, I said that. Leaf. No.
Let's phone Joe.
Wait, Hi, Finny. Hi, Jamesy. I've got some deliveries for you. I'm on my way. See you soon. Come on, Ozzy. Let's go. Oh. Hello, I'm Joe.
I'm James.
And who is he?
Cousin.
Let's love sign. cousin. Cousin. U sign. Cousin. Good. Cousin.
Are there fish in the water? I love catching fish. I once caught a fish this size. No, it was this size. No, it was this size. Come on, let's go catch some fish.
We need food to catch the fish.
Ah, food for the fish.
We need corn.
Wait here. Oh. The fish will love this.
That's popcorn. We need corn.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Now the fish will come. Oh. Fish. Oh, I love catching fish.
Let's love sign. Fish. Fish. U sign. Fish. Good. Fish.
Right, let's go fishing, friends.
No,
Why?
our boat is broken.
Boat? My second delivery. Wait here. Oh, it's too small. Oh. I'm sorry. Ah, I could use magic. Careful.
Are you okay, Joe?
Now we can catch fish.
Let's love sign. Catch. line. Catch. Good. Catch.
Now we can catch fish. No. Why?
We want to make a video.
My third delivery. A camera. Wait, here. Oh. Yes. Ah, let's go. I'm gonna make the video. Ah, I caught a fish! Ooh.
What about you, Finny?
Hey!
Finny caught a fish!
Well done, Finian.
When we got back, we let the fish return home to the river.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you. Bye!